Developers can build intelligent applications that leverage AI-driven responses in real time by integrating DeepSeek with Spring Boot using Spring AI. Whether it's for chat applications, automated assistants, or data-driven decision-making, combining DeepSeek with Spring Boot provides a scalable and efficient way to enhance user experiences with AI. In this section, we will explore DeepSeek Spring AI integration with Java Spring Boot step by step to create a simple yet powerful AI-powered application. The following requirements are important to integration. Ensure you have JDK 17 or later installed. Familiarity with Spring Boot and Spring AI. Ensure you have the DeepSeek model set up locally. Maven or Gradle for dependency management. IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, STS, or any preferred IDE. In next step, we have to install Alma. Alma is a platform that allows running and managing AI models locally, including DeepSeek. Download the installer from Alma download page. Alma is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Select the link accordingly. To verify Alma is installed, open a terminal such as CMD in Windows and run a command. Alma version -. To run Olama, open a separate terminal and run a command. Olama serve. Make sure that Olama is running as per aforementioned steps. Open a new terminal and run a command. Olama pull DeepSeek erib.latest to install the DeepSeek. It will display a successful installation message once 100% completes. To verify all the installed versions of DeepSeek, run a command in the same terminal, Alma list. To run DeepSeek, run a command in the same terminal, Alma run DeepSeek latest. Once it runs successfully, you will see a message send a message. It means you can send your prompt and get response from there itself. Use Spring Initializer to generate a Spring Boot project and add the following dependencies. Spring Web for MVC or REST APIs. Olama to run DeepSeek locally. Timeleaf for user interface. Once the Spring Boot project got generated, import the generated project into your IDE. Open application properties file. Add below entry to application properties. Spring, AI, Olama chat options, model as DeepSeek, run latest. And next, create the controller with the following code. Add a Timeleaf template, chat form, HTML, and SRS main, resources, templates. That's it. We done the integration. Let's test the integration. Start your Spring Boot application. Open a browser and hit the URL http:// localhost 8080. A chat form with prompt and response field will open as shown in the screen. Enter any query on prompt field, click the arrow button at the right. Wait for a while and observe the response in the response field. Verify closely the response from DeepSeek. When DeepSeek provides the response, we can see the 200 status in Olama log as well. We may further enhance other capabilities as per our requirements. Some of them are error handling, logging, configuration, and security. Add error handling in the DeepSeek service to manage API failures. Add logging to track requests and responses. Check the DeepSeek with other configurations to application.properties. Secure your API endpoints using Spring Security if needed. Cool. We done the DeepSeek Spring AI integration with Java Spring Boot. Subscribe our channel to learn more about DeepSeek, and let's see you on next video.